Hello students, today we are starting with our new topic, that is particles of matter attract each other. See students, there is one activity given. Play this game in the field, make 4 groups and form human chain as suggested. The first group should hold each other from back and lock arm like bihu dancers. So these are bihu dancers. How they are doing? They are folding their hands on the back of one another so that to get a lock. Second group should hold hands to form a human chain. The third group should form a chain by touching each other with only their fingertips. Now the fourth group of students should run around and try to break the 3 human chains one by one into as many such small groups possible. Which group is the easiest to break? So the easiest and why? So this is the question over here. See students, if we consider each student as a particle of matter, then in the which group the particles held each other with the maximum force, जो कि tightly lock होगा. Now see the next activity. Take an iron nail and a piece of chalk and a rubber band. Try breaking them by hammering, cutting or stretching. In which of the 3 substances do you think particles are held together with greater force? तो अगर हम लोग बात करें आयरन नेल की, चॉक की, रबर बैंड की, तो आयरन नेल में सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फोर्स होने वाला है. Open a water trap. Try breaking the stream of your water with your fingers. Where you be able to cut the stream of water? What could be the reason behind it? That means the particles of stream are not together. तो हम लोग आराम से उसको काट पा रहे हैं. Above the activities suggest that the particles of matter have force acting between them. तो ये चीज़ यहाँ पर अंडरलाइन कर लेते हैं कि what do they have? They have a force. Suggest that the particles of matter have force acting between them. This force keeps the particles together. Strength of this force of attraction varies of one kind of matter to another. So students, now let's see these questions over here. That which of the following are matter? So students, let's see over here. Chair. So yes, chair is a matter. Air is not a matter. Sorry, air is a matter because it occupies space. Love is not a matter. Smell is not a matter. Heat is not a matter. Almonds are matter. Thought is not a matter. Cold is not a matter. Cold drink is a matter. Smell of perfume is not a matter. Now give reason for the following. A smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but you get the smell from cold food. You have to go close. क्योंकि जैसे ही हीटिंग हुई तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी पार्टिकल्स की बढ़ी और वो दूर दूर तक जाने लग गए. फाइनली दे विल बी रीचिंग टू आवर नोज ऑल्सो. A diver is able to cut through the water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? That there is a weak force of attraction between water molecules. What are characteristics of particles of matter? तो हम लोगों ने ऊपर जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज डिस्कस की है उससे आपको सारी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पता चल गई होंगी, तो वही आपको इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर लिखनी है. Okay students, now let's study the states of matter. So on our study of scientists, I am writing it over here. See, on the studies made by scientists, what do they conclude? That particles have 3 states. Sorry, not particles, that is actually the matter have 3 states. Matter have 3 states. And what are the 3 states? So first these are solid, liquid and gas. So these are the 3 states of matter, and we will be discussing now all of them. So students, you see over here states of matter. Observe different type of matter around you. What are the different states? We can see matter around us exists in 3 different states: solid, liquid, gas. And these states of matter arise due to variation in characteristics of particles of matter. Now see students, now let us study about properties of 3 matters in detail. Now see the students, there are examples given over there. You can learn them yourself. We are just reading. Collect the following article: pen, book, needle, piece of thread. Sketch the shape of above article in your notebook. Do all these have a definite shape, distinct boundary, fixed volume? What does happen if they are hammered, pull or drop? तो इनमें से कुछ बहुत ऐसे होंगे जिनको अगर हम लोग खींचे या कुछ करें तो वो ब्रेक हो सकते हैं या फिर अपनी शेप को चेंज कर सकते हैं. कुछ बहुत ऐसे होंगे जो कि रिजिड होंगे एंड दे विल नॉट चेंज देयर शेप. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स ओवर हियर, a rubber band changes shape under the force and regains the same shape when the force is removed. If excessive force is applied, it breaks. तो ये रबर बैंड जो है वो जिसको हम इसलिए इसको हम लोग रबर का एंड बैंड इट इज टोल्ड बिकॉज इट कैन बी इजीली स्ट्रेचेबल एंड व्हेन वी रिमूव द फोर्स इट अगेन अनस्ट्रेचेस. Shape of each individual sugar or salt crystal remain fixed whether we take it in our hand, put it in plate or in jar. एक ही शेप रहेगी. इसका मतलब these do not change the shape. Similarly, sponge has minute holes in which air is trapped. When we press it, the air is expelled out and we are able to compress it. So this all states about the solid state. Now what conclusions can we make with the help of this solid state? So I am writing over here all the particles, all the matter of the solid state are hard. Second, these are non-compressible. Third, they do not change their shape. So these are the main things that we have learned for the solid state. You can write it in your NCERT. Now students, when we are discussing about the next, that is the liquid state. So we are discussing now the liquid state. You can read the activity yourself. We will be writing over here. See, we are reading from this paragraph. We observe liquid have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. वॉल्यूम फिक्स रहता है. जैसे आप एक गिलास पानी लो और उसको आप लोग किस में एक जग में डालो, तो वो एक गिलास से पूरा जग तो भरने से रहा, वो तो उतना का उतना ही रहेगा. सो दैट इज द मेन थिंग एक्सप्लेन्ड ओवर हियर, दैट द वॉल्यूम रिमेन्स द सेम. दे टेक अप शेप. अगर आप उस गिलास से इस कंटेनर में किसी और कंटेनर में डालोगे तो उस कंटेनर की शेप हो जाएगी, लेकिन वॉल्यूम तो वही रहेगा. लिक्विड फ्लो एंड चेंज शेप, सो दे आर नॉट रिजिड बट कैन बी कॉल्ड फ्लूइड. तो वो फ्लो करते हैं, इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव प्रॉपर्टी टू फ्लो एंड आर कॉल्ड फ्लूइड. Refer to activity 1.4 1.5 where we saw that solid and liquid can diffuse into liquids. The gases from the atmosphere diffuse and dissolve in water. These gases, especially oxygen and carbon dioxide, are essential for the survival of aquatic animals and plants. That's why we say that oxygen and these are soluble and these help in the breathing of plants and animals of aquatic life. All living creatures need to breathe for survival. Aquatic animals can breathe underwater due to presence of dissolved oxygen in water. Thus, we may conclude that solid, liquid, and gases can diffuse into liquids. ये तीनों के तीनों जो है liquids बन सकते हैं. The rate of diffusion of liquid, see over here, higher than that of solids. This is due to the fact that in the solid state particles move freely. In liquid state particles move freely, have greater space, and as compared to particles in solid state. तो हम लोग अगर बात करें कि हम लोग अगर फ्लो की बात करें या फिर कंप्रेशन की बात करें, तो जो लिक्विड्स है वो कंप्रेसिबल होते हैं सॉलिड से, और डिफ्यूजन लिक्विड्स का ज़्यादा होता है सॉलिड से. दिस इज़ मेन बिकॉज जो सॉलिड्स होते हैं उनके पार्टिकल्स एकदम टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं, तो मूव नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो उनका डिफ्यूजन मतलब कि इधर उधर मूवमेंट होना भी मुश्किल है. थर्ड इज गैसेज. तो सबसे ज़्यादा डिफ्यूजेबल चीज़ हम लोग अगर बात करें तो गैसेज ही है. हैव यू एवर ऑब्जर्व्ड अ बलून सेलर फिलिंग अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बलून्स फ्रॉम अ सिंगल सिलेंडर ऑफ गैस? Inquire from him how many balloons is he able to fill from one cylinder, and ask him which gas does he have in the cylinder. Mainly when we see in the local balloons the oxygen is filled, whereas when we talk about some of the balloons which can fly, the helium gas is filled. We have observed the gases are highly incompressible as compared to solid and liquids. So these can be compressed. The liquefied petroleum gas LPG cylinder that we get in our home or oxygen supplied to hospital cylinder is compressed gas. compressed gas होती है ये, तो CNG का इसलिए नाम है, hence the name compressed natural gas. बायोगैस को compress करके बनाया गया. Due to its high compressibility, large volume of gas can be compressed into a small cylinder and transported easily. We come to know that being cooked in the kitchen without even entering there by smell that reaches our nostrils. So why does this smell reaches us? I have already told you, particles due to kinetic energy. Particles of aroma of food mixed with the particles of air spread from kitchen reach us and even farther away. The smell of hot cooked food reaches us in seconds compared with this rate of diffusion of solid and liquid. तो gases का जो diffusion rate होता है बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Due to high speed of particles and large space between them, gases show the property of diffusing very fast into other gases. In the gases state, particles move out randomly at high speed. Due to the random movement, the particles hit each other and also the walls of container. इनमें collision या फिर इसको हम कहें कि टकराना होता रहता है. Pressure exerted by gas is because of this force exerted by gas particles per unit area on the walls of container. So this thing I hope that you will be learning. इस पैराग्राफ को अच्छे से कर लेना, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. प्रेशर के बारे में दिया हुआ है, बिकॉज क्योंकि वो स्ट्राइक करते हैं, that's why we can say that they are exerting a pressure. In the next class, we will be studying about the effect of change of temperature. Can matter change its state and the effect of change of temperatures. So I hope that you will be liking this video and you are subscribing to this channel. Thank you.